So the plants and animals can be modified genetically by a number of different ways. We have different genes can be inserted or deleted to get this genetic modification. So we have plant or animal genetic modification, then we have the genes that are modified. So with the plant or animal genetic modification, we have herbicide tolerant soybean. And so with that, the genes that are modified, we have the enzyme 5-enolpyruvyl shikmate, and that is 3-phosphate synthase, EPSPS, isolated from the soil bacterium, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. We have strain CP4, gives tolerance against the glyphosate herbicide. This gene was introduced into the soybean to make it herbicide tolerant. Now,